Open the Parse.com site. Log into Parse. After logging in, create a new app, give it a name, and save it. Note the application ID and client key, which we will later use in the Android app code. Select the Quick Start Guide option. Navigate to Social, Mobile, Android, Native Java, Existing Project. Download the SDK from the options provided. Extract the SDK zip file. You can see the jar file in the documentation as well. We will need this parse 1.4.0.jar file in our Android code. Start Eclipse, go to the File menu of Eclipse, and then select New. Select a new Android application project. Give a name to your project, and fill in other required details. Finally, click Finish. You can now see the project structure in Eclipse Package Explorer window. Now, navigate back to the Parse SDK folder where we extracted the SDK zip file. Copy the parse 1.4.0.jar file. Go to Eclipse and paste the jar to the libs folder of our project. At this point, we have now added the Parse SDK into our Android project. Now, go back to the Parse website and you can see the next few steps that we need to take. Now we need to create the application class for our Android project. Go to Eclipse and right-click on the project's main package using the Package Explorer window. Select New Class. Give a name to the application class and extend it by android.app.application class. Open the newly created class in Eclipse and override the onCreate method of the application class. Go to the parse.com site and select the dashboard option, located at the left corner near the app name. Select the setting icon to open the app settings of your Parse app. In the settings, select the Application Keys option and copy the application ID and client ID, which we will now use. In the onCreate method of our application class, initialize the Parse object and put the application ID and client ID there. Next, we need to register our application class in the manifest file. Open the Android manifest.xml file and in the Application tab, browse for our application class. Finally, add the required permission in the manifest file.